In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple automation using Asana's built-in AI so your project work moves faster and more consistently with fewer manual updates. Start by opening the project where you want automation to run. At the top right of your project, click Customize. This opens a panel that controls project level settings. You're in the right place when you see options for things like fields, forms, and most importantly for today, rules. Think of this area as the control center for how your project behaves. In that panel, select rules, then choose the plus add option. This is where you define what should happen automatically in your project. Rules connect a trigger, something that happens in Asana, to one or more actions like assigning tasks or changing a field value. You don't need to map out everything in advance. Asana AI can help translate plain language into a working rule. Now click Create Rule with Asana AI. This opens a prompt where you can describe what you want, just like you'd explain it to a teammate. The clearer you are, the better the result. For example, type something like, when a task moves to lab testing, assign it to me and set the priority to high. Use the exact section name from your project, and don't worry about fancy syntax. Asana AI understands natural language. If your project uses a different field name for priority, just write the name you see in your project so the AI targets the right field. When you submit your request, Asana will present an AI-generated preview of the rule. Take a moment to review it carefully. You should see the trigger spelled out, moving a task to the lab testing section, and the actions listed, such as assigning the task to you and updating the priority to high. Confirm that the trigger and actions match your intent, that the section name is correct, and that the field the AI chose lines up with what your project actually uses. This quick check helps ensure the automation will behave the way you expect. If everything looks good, click Publish. Your rule is now live for this project, and Asana will run it automatically whenever the trigger occurs. That's all there is to it. You've created a reliable automation that saves time, reduces errors, and keeps tasks moving with consistent priority and ownership.